It's 42 degrees right now and it's only 10 o'clock. Temperatures are soaring in the city of Toronto. I'm not complaining. Guys, we'll be back to fall before you know it. And after that, we really know it comes. Harsh winter. So this is amazing and I'm ready to walk 2 kilometers and we'll be walking 3 kilometers after this. Hello everyone, this is the old site of York Memorial Institute. This is a high school. A few years ago there was fire, so they had to demolish part of the school, and now the city is investing money and reconstructing the high school. As you can see, they are keeping part of the old site and they are adjoining the back side, the more addition to the school, as the school was on fire and it was a massive fire. It's the best high school in the city, and by the way, education from kindergarten to grade 12 is absolutely free to anyone who lives in the city of Toronto, as well as I would say in whole Canada. There is no charge and education is free. You don't have to pay for anything, but in high school they do charge some sort of registration fee, about $40 to $60, not much, but it is free because we pay taxes. And even refugees and newcomers to Canada, they all are part of this plan where the kids get free education. That's the beauty of this country. Alright, do come back for more updates. Have a great day. Take care.